Students, in part 3 video, we are going to continue the same chapter 1 rational numbers. In that, we are going to continue the same exercise 1.1. Up to part video, we have finished some questions in exercise 1.1. Now, in part 3 video, we are going to continue the same exercise from 8th problem. Okay, now we'll see the 8th question. Verify that minus of x is the same as x for x equal to 11 by 5, x equal to minus 31 by 45. Students, what they are asking to verify in 8th question is minus of x is the same as x, which means what? X is nothing but the question. Okay, we have to do minus of x. By that time we have to get the same x, means the same question you have to get as your answer. If you are getting means you have to write therefore it is verified. Minus of x is equal to x. Hence verified you have to write. Clear? I'll show you the problem. X is equal to 11 by 5. That is our question. Okay, what they are asking to verify? Minus of x is the same as x, means minus of x equal to x. Okay, now first step, I have written this minus here, then this minus here. What is x value they have given in question? 11 by 5. So I have written 11 by 5. Here equal to x. Again x value in question they have given 11 by 5. Student, next step if you see, minus into minus is what? We all know minus into minus is plus. So this side what this both the minus has become now plus. So I have written 11 by 5 as such. Okay, a no sign means it is understood that it is plus is there. Okay, so this side already we are adding 11 by 5. The same 11 by 5 I am writing here also. Now if you see here also 11 by 5, here also 11 by 5. So it shows what? Minus of x, we are getting the same x. Okay, which means after doing minus we are getting the same question as the answer. So therefore hence verify minus of minus x equal to x. That's it. Clear? Now we will see the second substitution. X is equal to minus 31 divided by 45. X equal to minus 31 divided by 45. The same we are going to verify in this problem also. What is that? Minus of x equal to x we are going to say. So I have written minus of x equal to x. So this minus outside is there. Then this minus outside here is there. So in question itself we are having minus 31 by 45. So this minus is here. So this x value I have written minus 31 by 45. So only I have written two bracket. Okay, one is closed bracket and another one if you see open bracket. Equal to x. X value is minus 31 by 45. Okay, now students listen. What this minus into minus is what? Plus. Okay, then inside what? Minus 31 by 45 I have written as such. Equal to this side minus 31 by 45, that also I am writing as such. Then next step if you see, plus here minus is there. So plus into minus is what? Minus. Okay, plus into minus is what? Minus. One different itself will coming means obviously it is what? Minus only. So plus into minus is minus. Minus 31 by 45. That side already we are having what? Minus 31 by 45. So what? This side also minus 31 by 45 and that side also minus 31 by 45. So what? Hence verified. What we have verified? Minus of x equal to x we have verified. Clear all of you? This is very simple only, no? Okay. Now we'll see the ninth question. The heading of the ninth question is rearrange suitably and add. What they are saying? First we have to rearrange the given question. Then only we have to add. That only they are saying in this question. Okay, now this is our question. Minus 3 by 7 plus 5 by 6 plus 4 by 7 plus 1 by 3 plus 13 divided by minus 6. Students, first what we are going to do is rearrange we are going to do. Okay, since I have written the question here, straightly I have rearranged here. Okay, if you need, you can write one more time question also. Afterwards, you can rearrange. Okay, so I don't have much space, so I have rearranged here. Okay, now listen, students. You see the denominator part alone first. Denominator part alone first we are going to see. See here, the first we are having denominator part is 7. You see any other 7 is there? Here we are having. So, minus 3 by 7 first I have written. Next another denominator where we are having 7? Here we are having. Before that what sign we are having? Plus. So, next to do this you immediately write plus 4 by 7. Clear all of you? This minus 3 by 7 and plus 4 by 7 now gets over. Now leave this 2. We have written. Next is what? Plus 5 by 6. Write that plus 5 by 6. You see any other 6 is there? Here we are having. Students, why I have written here minus 13 by 6 means here plus sign we are having, here minus sign is having. For a rational number, only we have to have only one sign. But still, how many signs we are having for this rational number? We are having two signs. Which shows what? Here 13 minus 6 means what? Plus into minus is what? Minus. So if you see here, I have marked the circle. Plus into minus is minus. Minus 13 by 6. Okay, I have finished the 7. Now I have wrote the 6. Then still remaining is what? Plus 1 by 3. Write that lastly. Because for that we don't have pad. Okay, clear students? Now we have rearranged. Clear how we have rearranged? We have seen the denominator first in denominator we are having 7. Similarly, you have to see that 7 is coming here. So write that plus 4 by 7. Now this 2 you cancel with pencil because that 2 is over. Then come to plus 5 by 6. Similarly, you see that denominator 6 having here. But for that here 2 sign we are having minus 1 plus. So plus into minus is what? Minus. So plus 5 by 6 minus 13 by 6. Then remaining is only this 1 by 3, write that last. Clear all of you? Now we have rearranged. Now next after rearranging what we have to do? We have to add. Now we'll see. Here both the denominator are same. We can write one denominator and we can add the numerator. Minus 3 plus 4 I have written. Okay. 4 minus 3 is what? 4 minus 3 is what? 1. So 1 divided by 7. Clear all of you? 4 minus 3 is 1. We have to see the greater number sign, isn't it? Which is the greater number, 4 or minus 3? 4 is the greater number. For that what sign we are having? Plus. So it is understood that here plus 1 is there. Clear? Then this plus I am writing. This plus I am writing here. Next if you see here both the denominators are same. So what we are writing? 1, 6 I am writing. Numerator I am subtracting. 5 minus 13. Then this 1 by 3 we don't have pad, that you would bring it down as such. Okay. The next step if you see 4 minus 3 is 1 by 7. Next in between I have written plus. 5 minus 13. Here plus sign is there, here minus sign is there. Plus minus means what we have to do? We have to subtract and we have to see the greater number sign. Okay, so 13 if you subtract 5 what we will get? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 8 we will get. But still 13 is the greater number, for that we are having minus. So we also have to write here minus 8 by 6. Then plus 3, 1 by 3 write as such, plus 1 by 3. Clear all of you? Then this term we cannot able to do anything, so write that 1 by 7 as such. Now if you see plus into minus. Plus into minus means what? Minus. So I have written the next step minus. Clear? This 8 and 6 will get cancelled, isn't it? Both will go in which table? 8 and 6 will go in same table. Okay, 8 will go in what table? 4 table. Similarly 6 will go in 3 table. Okay, so 4 by minus 4 divided by 3 plus 1 by 3. Clear all of you? This 1 by 7 I am writing here. Now if you see Here also denominator 3, here also denominator 3. So what we can write? We can write 1, 3 and we can add the numerator part. Minus 4 plus 1 we are having. Okay, minus plus means what we are going to do? We have to subtract. So 4 minus 1 is what? 3. But which is the greater number? Minus 4 is the greater number. For that we are having minus. So you have to write minus 3 divided by 3. Clear? So 3 divided by 3 means what? If we cancel, what we will get? We will get here also 1 and here also 1. 1 3s are 3 and 1 3s are 3. The next step, since I don't have space here, I am writing here. Here 1 by 7 as such I am writing. Minus, after cancelling both numerator and denominator, I have got 1 by 1. The next step, what I am doing now? I am doing the cross multiplication. Okay, 1 into 1 is 1 minus 7 into 1 is 7 divided by 7 into 1 is 7. Clear all of you? I think you all know cross multiplication, isn't it? So 1 into 1 is 1. 7 into 1 is 7. The denominator part 7 into 1 7. Then 1 minus 7 is what? Here no sign means you have to understood here plus is there. So plus minus means immediately we will do subtract. So 7 minus 1 is what? 6. Now which is the greater number? 7. For that we are having minus. So our answer is minus 6 by 7. Clear all of you? Clear all of you the ninth problem? Okay, this is very simple. First we have to rearrange. Afterwards only we are adding. Clear all of you? Now 10th question we are going to see. 10th question. What should be added to minus 8 by 9 to get 2 by 5? What they are saying in this question? We have to add one number to minus 8 by 9. When we are adding, by that time we have to get the answer as what? 2 by 5 there we want to get. But we don't know what number we have to add. Isn't it? What should be added they are asking. Which means we don't know what number we have to add to this minus 8 by 9. So that we will get 2 by 5. We don't know that number. For that, since we don't know the number, I am considering that number as x. Okay, I am adding x plus to what number? Minus 8 by 9. To get what number I have to get? 2 by 5. Clear all of you? Okay, I have to add one number to minus 8 by 9. By that time, what answer I have to get? To get 2 by 5. Okay, what number? That number I have to find. Clear all of you? Now, if you see here, plus and minus I am having. Plus and minus means what? Plus into minus is what? Minus. So, 8 by 9. Clear all of you? Previously I told for rational number we have to have only one sign. Either it should be positive or it should be negative. But two signs we should not supposed to have. Okay, for that first step we are converting into one sign. Here plus and minus we are having. So plus into minus is what? Minus. So I have written minus 8 by 9 equal to 2 by 5. The next step what I am doing is, here also one number, here also number. So I am taking this number minus 8 by 9 to that side equal to afterwards. I am taking this minus 8 by 9 to this side. What minus 8 by 9 if cross after equal means it will become positive. So x equal to 2 by 5 I am writing. Minus 8 by 9 if comes this side plus 8 by 9. Clear all of you? It is coming, this minus 8 by 9 is coming to that side. So we are getting 8 by 9. After this step, we have to add both the rational number. But if you see whether both the denominator are same, no. What we have to do? We have to make the denominator as same. For that we are having two methods. What is the first method? We can take LCM or otherwise we can do cross multiplication. Okay, I am doing here cross multiplication. Even if you are taking LCM, we will get the same answer. But still you will get 2 steps extra. That is the difference. Okay, so which method you feel easy, that method you can try. Okay, here I am doing the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means you have to start from year to year. Okay, from right to left you have to go. From right to left, then only you have to from left to right. Usually cross multiplication means you have to start from right to left you have to go. Okay, so first 9 into 2, 18. Plus, in between what sign we are having plus, so here also I am writing plus. Then left to right, now we are going 5 into 8, 40. 5 eights are what? 40 divided by, then base how we have to write? We have to multiply both the denominator. 5 nines are 45. That is the cross multiplication. Clear? First step, you have to go from right to left. 9 twos are 18. In between we are having plus. Suppose here in between minus means you have to put minus. Clear? The next we have to go from left to right. 5 eights are 40. Divided by both the denominator we have to multiply. 5 nines are 45. Clear? Now next step what we will do? 18 plus 40 we are having. 18 plus 40 is what? 58 by 45. Clear? Now we found the answer. X is equal to what? 58 by 45. So we have to add 58 by 45 with minus 8 by 9. When we are adding 58 by 45 with minus 8 by 9 means we will get the answer what? 2 by 5. Okay, they are not asking us to verify, they are asking what should be added alone. So it is enough if we find x value alone. Clear all of you? So our x is what now? 58 by 45. Clear students all of you? Next we are going to see the 11th question. The question is subtract minus 8 divided by 44 from minus 17 by 11. Okay, from where, from which, after that what number they are given, first you have to write that number. Okay, okay students, if you are straightly minus 8 by 44 minus of 17 by 11 if you are writing means, then you will get wrong answer. Okay, after from what number they have given, first you have to write that number, then subtract means in between I am writing subtract symbol, then afterwards you have to write minus 8 divided by 44. Clear all of you? Clear? Clear? Now I have told you previously, for rational number we should not supposed to get two sign, we have to make it into one sign. So for that what I am doing is minus into minus is what? Minus into minus is plus. So I am writing minus 17 by 11 as such. Minus into minus is plus 8 divided by 44. Clear? Now for this rational number only one sign we are having, which is what? Plus. This minus has become now plus. Clear? Now either here if you see you can do cross multiply, otherwise you can do LCM method. Since if I do cross multiplication I will get bigger number, so I am going for LCM method. Okay, since we don't have denominator same, for that to make same we are going to do LCM. See, I have done the LCM here. 11 and 44, if I take LCM, what I am getting? 11 2s are 22, 22 into 2 is 44. Now our LCM is what? 44. So, what I am doing is, so to add LCM is 44, to make the denominator 44, what number I have to multiply to numerator and denominator? 4. So that only I will get the LCM as 44, isn't it? So I am multiplying minus 17 into 4 divided by 11 into 4 plus, here already 44 is there. It is enough if we multiply 1 alone. So 8 into 1 divided by 44 into 1. Clear? 17 into 4 if you multiply we are getting 68 divided by 4. 11 into 4 is 44. Plus 8 into 1 is 8, 44 into 1 is 44. Now we have arrived both the denominators are same. If both the denominators are same, we have to write one denominator 44 and we can add the numerator minus 68 plus 8. 1 plus 1 minus means what we have to do? We have to do subtract, and after subtracting we have to see the greater number sign. Okay, 68 minus 8 is what? We will get 60. What is the greater number here? Minus 68. So minus 68 is a greater number. For that we are having minus sign. So our answer should be minus 60 divided by 44. So 60 and 44 both I am cancelling in 4 table. In 4 table 60 how many times means 15 times. So I have written in the numerator 15. In 4 table 44 how many times? In 4 table 44 how many times? 11 times. So I am writing here 11. So our answer is what? This minus will come. Minus 15 by 11. So when we subtract minus 11, 17 divided by 11, minus of minus 8 by 44 means we will get minus 15 divided by 11. Clear all of you subtract? Okay. Next we will see the 12th question. This is a 12th question. 12th question is evaluate. Evaluate first. In the 12th question we are having two subdivision. Okay. The first subdivision is 9 by 12 into minus 11 by 3. This is normal multiplication. If anything numerator and denominator is getting cancelled means you can cancel. Otherwise you can straightly multiply and you can write. Okay. That's like a multiplication only. 9 by 2 into minus 11 by 3. You all know 9 and 2 will not get cancelled. Similarly 11 and 3 will not get cancelled. Then you have to see whether this 9 and 3 will get cancelled, or you have to see. Yes, it will get cancelled. So in 3 table 3 how many times? 1 times. In 3 table 9 how many times? 3 times. So after cancelling I have written 3. So you can write 3 into 11 are 33. 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, since for a beginner I am writing 3 into minus 11 divided by 2 into 1. 3 11s are 33. This minus I am writing as such. Divided by 2 1s are 2. That's all. Our answer is over. Okay, this is another 1 mark questions. Okay, now second question. Minus 7 divided by 27 into 24 divided by minus 35. Okay, now you have to see whether 7 and 27 will get cancelled. No. 24 and 35 will get cancelled. No. Then you have to see in the cross check. Okay, whether 7 and 35 will go in same table. Yes, 7 will go in 7 table 1 times. 35 in 7 table it will go 5 times. Similarly 24 and 27 will go which table? 3 table. 3 table how many times? 24? 8 times. 8 3s are 24. Similarly in 3 table how many times 27 will come? 9 3s are what? 27. So 9 times. Clear all of you? So here minus we are having minus 1 into 8 divided by here 9 into here minus 1 is there. So minus I have written common 9 into 5. Minus both numerator and denominator is having means what we have to do? We have to cancel that minus. Clear all of you? If both numerator and denominator is having minus means you have to cancel that minus. So 1 8s are 8, 9 5s are 45. The answer is 8 divided by 45. Clear? Now we'll see the 13th question. 13th question is divide. Divide they are given 1. First question, this the 13th question, we are having 3 subdivision. This is first subdivision, this is second subdivision and this is the third subdivision. Okay, now we are going to see the first subdivision. Minus 21 by 5 by minus 7 divided by minus 10. Okay, so divide they are given. Now by means what? You have to put divide sign. Okay, minus 21 by 5 I am writing. By I have written full divide by minus 7 by minus 10. So I have told you previously for division, another one division if you are having, the denominator part will become what? It will become reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? Numerator part will go, denominator part will go up and numerator part will come down. That we will say it as a reciprocal. So I am writing this minus 21 by 5 as such. This term minus 7 minus 10. What I told you, both having minus minus, which means what? Both the minus will what? Here both the minus will get cancelled. So this minus and minus will go now. So if we go, what we will get? We will get only 7 by 10. The next step, this divide will become multiply and this 7 by 10 will become what? Reciprocal. So 10 by 7 it will become in next step. Clear students? So you have to see 7 table 21 how many times? 3 times. 5 table 10 how many times? 2 times. So minus here we are having minus 3 into 2. I have written divided by 1 into 1. Okay, 3 2s are what? 6. This minus I am writing. Divided by 1 you can write, otherwise you can leave it. It is understood that denominator we are having 1. Here, now we will see the second subdivision. Minus 3 divided by 13 by minus 3. Okay, students, I have told you previously, all the integers, all the natural numbers, all the whole numbers are what? Rational numbers, isn't it? The question we are given only minus 3. Okay, it is understood that your denominator part is what? It is understood that the denominator part nothing is there, means it is understood that we are having divided by 1. Clear all of you? The question they have not given denominator part. So we itself have to consider the denominator part is what? 1. Clear all of you? So what I am doing is, I am writing this minus 3 divided by 13. By means whole divided by minus 3. We don't have denominator, so I am itself taking 1. For division, further division, if we are having, what we have to do? This denominator part will become what? Reciprocal. Minus 3 by 1 will become what? 1 divided by minus 3. This 1 will go up. This minus 3 will come down. In between, what sign we have to put? Into. Here what sign we have written? Into. Okay. The division will become into and we have to write in reciprocal form. Clear all of you? This 3 table 1 times. So 3 table 1 times, here also 3 table 1 times. So minus 1 into 1 is what? Minus 1. 13 into 1 is what? 13. Here minus we are having. So both the minus we are cancelling. So we are getting 1 by 13. Clear all of you? Okay. Next still we have to see the last third subdivision. Okay, now I will show you how to do the third subdivision. Students, this is the third subdivision of 13th question. If you see the question, minus 2 by minus 6 divided by 15. Okay, here minus 2 only is there, here denominator nothing is there, which means what? You have to consider what? The denominator part. You have to consider the denominator part as 1. Okay. Clear all of you? So I have written minus 2 by 1 by the whole divided by minus 6 divided by 15. Clear? Now this denominator part, it will become what? It will become into and it will become reciprocal. That this part 15 will go up, the 16 will come down. So 15 divided by minus 6. So 2 and 6 will go both in same table, 2 table. So 2 table 2 1 times, 6 is 3 times. Okay. Now here itself you can cancel one more time, 3 and 15. Isn't it? I have cancelled in the next step. If you need, you can cancel in the single step and you can straightly write the answer. Okay. For your understanding, for your better understanding, I am doing like that. Okay. Equal to minus 1 into 15 divided by 1 into minus 3. Okay, now 3 and 15 will go in what table? Same 3 table. 3 table 3 1 times, 15 3 table 5 times. So minus 1 into 5 is what? Minus 5. 1 into minus 1 is what? Minus 1. Both numerator also we are having minus and the denominator part is also having minus. Which means what? Both the minus will get cancelled. So see, I have cancelled both the minus. So 5 divided by 1 means what? 5. So our answer is 5. Clear? In 13th subdivision, we are having, in 13th problem, we are having 3 subdivision. We have completed the 3 subdivision. Clear, students? Okay, now we are in this part 3 video. What are the problems we have seen now? We have seen 8th problem, 9th problem, 10th problem, 11th problem, 12th and 13th. Up to 13th problem we have completed. Based on this problem, now I am going to give you the assignment. Okay, try to do the assignment correctly. Go through the video 1 or 2 times. It will be very easy. Now what are the concepts we have seen? Everything is a simple concept only. Okay, so based on this problem, now we are going to see the assignment problem. Student, this is your part 3 assignment. In part 3 assignment, you are going to do 5 problems. Okay, this 5 problem only, based on that only we have seen the part 3 video fully. Okay, if you have doubt anywhere, you can go through the video and afterwards you can start doing your assignment. Okay, I am going to tell you how to do some basic hint I am going to give. Okay, verify that minus of x is same x for x equal to 13 by 15 and another subdivision is x equal to minus 51 by 35. In this what we have to verify? We have to verify minus of x equal to x we have to verify. Okay, we have to put minus of 13 divided by 15 and similarly you have to get the same answer. You will surely get. If you are not getting, you have done somewhere wrong, you go through it. Last line we have to write. Therefore hence verified. Minus of x equal to x. You have to write. Clear? Next, second question. Rearrange suitably and add. The question is what? We have to rearrange suitably and we have to add. Students, you have to write, if you see here denominator part 7 is there. You have to see where another denominator 7 is there. So after this term, you have to write this term. Afterwards, you have to write 6. Where 6 is having here. I told you for rational number only one sign we have to have. Here plus and minus means you have to convert into minus. After this term you have to write this term. When remaining one term is left. What is that? 1 by 3. Afterwards we have done out in video the same type we are going to do. Clear? Third question is subtract. Subtract after from what the number given, that number only you have to write first. What you have to write? Minus 12 by 17 minus 9 divided by 17. You have to write. Clear? Since both the denominators are same, it is easy for you to directly you can subtract. You no need to take any LCM or you no need to do any cross multiplication. You can directly subtract and find the answer. Okay? Now evaluate. 16 by 5 into minus 15 divided by 36. Next subdivision is 72 divided by 45 into minus 12 divided by 27. So you have to just cancel it and you have to find the remaining answer. Okay. Divide is what? Divide means what? All divide you have to put. Here also nothing denominator is there means it is understood that the denominator part is what? 1. Clear? In division, the denominator part will what? It will become into and it will become reciprocal. Reciprocal means the denominator part will go up, the numerator part will come down. Okay? Clear all of you? Reciprocal means you all know. If you still have doubt, you can watch the video. Okay? The main important concept you have to know is you have to concentrate more in plus minus. That only you have to do concentrate. Clear all of you? You have to concentrate more. Student, this is the most important, very important concept. Everyone has to know. Most of you will struggle only in this. Student, when you add or subtract, when both the number are positive, you have to add. And you have to put positive sign. When one number is negative and another one is positive means you have to subtract. Okay, after subtracting you have to see the greater number sign. Similarly, one number is plus and another number is minus means you have to subtract and you have to see the greater number sign. Both are minus means what we are going to do? If both are minus means we are going to add. Okay, both the number you are going to add. Afterwards what we have to do? We have to see the greater number sign. Clear all of you? For this 3 we have to see the greater number sign. Okay, when we come to multiplication, we no need to see any greater number sign, nothing we no need to see. Okay, plus into plus means plus, minus into minus means plus, plus minus means minus, minus plus means minus. Here no greater number sign, nothing. Only you have to see the greater number sign for addition and subtraction. For multiplication you no need to see the greater number sign. Clear all of you? Clear? If one sign is different, immediately you have to subtract and you have to see the greater number sign. Clear? This is the most important concept that everyone has to know. So do the homework assignment carefully without any mistake. Do the problems carefully. We will see in the part 4 video soon. Thank you, students.